Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the HPE ProLiant DL 380 Gen 10 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. This video will be specifically focused on memory. So we'll just go into the specs to start. We'll go over some of the compatibilities. We'll go over the max speeds and sizes, which depends on your processor. And then we'll actually show you how to physically install them. So how many DIMM slots are there? There are 24 DIMM slots inside. It takes DDR4 memory. It takes a number of different speeds, and this is where it gets a little bit complicated. You can go as low as